Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the Candlewood Suites here in Lafayette, Indiana. We have a Series 5 that was 4 floors.
He's riding it.
Go up.
Guys coming in, Jay. Heavy load.
The floor.
2.
Alrighty. Here's 2.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good night.
You too.
Series 5. Okay, yeah, you can see the lamps on the side. That's weird. If you get to carry them out there. Just one elevator for 4 floors. Pull off. There's a ring down there, which is kind of weird. So keeping this one high would be in the back of the cab. It's a very nice elevator. It's kind of weird. This scenic here. Not a capacity plate whatsoever, which is kind of weird. Series 5. Minus the lovely, which was terrible. That's fine. Got it, thank you. Thank you. No problem. I got it. You coming in? 4. Go ahead.
Got it.
There goes the elevator. Now watch this. It's locked. I heard someone could go over the forest, so. And that's the elevator here. Anyway, let's see this. Thank you. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.